Getting ready to sell with Back on the Rack. When it comes to selling, it's so easy and worth it, but if you wait until the last few days before drop-off, you're likely to get overwhelmed really fast. Did you know you have lots of money sitting in your corners and closets of your house? Let's get your space back and some money for that stuff. Here's a handful of powerful tips to sell it all. Register for the upcoming sale before spots are gone. We fill up each season. Lots of consigners swear by having a box of supplies that they just pull out each season when they're ready to tag. Great supplies to have on hand to make the process go smoother. White cardstock, hangers, safety pins or tagging gun, blue painter's tape, packaging tape, zip ties, Clorox magic eraser cleaners of choice, rubber bands, batteries, assorted Ziploc bags. Best practices when gathering items. Grabbing a trash bag of dusty, scummy toys from the attic or basement and tagging them for sale is not going to make you any money. In fact, you'll find yourself on the blacklist real fast and you'll have wasted your time. Clean things up, get any stains out, wash clothing, put new cheap dollar store batteries in so shoppers know it works. Check for recalls. Make a list and check every room, bedrooms, playrooms, basements, garages, bookshelves. When grabbing clothing, shoes, and accessories, keep things in size piles. This is a big time saver for tagging and drop-off. Don't try to do it all at once. Try to knock out one size at a time or a single category like books. It goes quickly when you can focus. Last tip, try to avoid tagging when smaller kiddos are nearby. They'll rediscover their favorite toy or shirt that's 3 sizes too small. That's it, tag it all, drop off, and watch it sell. Happy tagging!